And here we are at a house down in Waterford who's having a problem with their furnace not wanting to stay on. And I was here yesterday, took a short video of it, it's showing it. And this house here has an older Goodman furnace which has a heat sensor in it, which is right back here in the back of the burn chamber. And it wasn't receiving a signal sometimes when the flame kicked on, so I cleaned it off to make it work temporarily for tenant's sake because it's so cold out. And this is the part right here, and it's warm. I cleaned it off and it made it work, and it did work all night, which thank goodness it did, because our wind chill last night was like 30-some below zero. And that's good that it kept going. But just to be safe, I picked up a new one while I was gone yesterday out and about, and now I'm placing a new one in here and setting it in, and we will get this in place and tightened in, and we'll get this furnace fired back up and get these people going. It's a lot better than it was yesterday now, because it's only like 2 below zero out. Wind chill is probably in the 20 below. It's supposed to get better though, but that's Michigan weather for you. We have to live with it and make do. Fortunately, it's a simple one. Figured it out yesterday, wasn't, but it's a simple one. And here we are. That's the exhaust evacuation pump. It actually blows the exhaust out. And the glow plug is now glowing, and the gas should kick on here in about 2 seconds, 3 seconds. There it is. The sensor is in the middle of the flame, the glow plug is going out, and the fire is staying on, and they have heat. So we're back in business. I'll just have to put the cover back on.